Hello and welcome to my C# tutorial where today I'm going to go over \t's in C#. So \t indents. So think back to when you've used Microsoft Word or Google Docs or PowerPoint or Google Slides, you would have to have pressed the tab button. If you haven't used the tab button ever or for a while, you'll find the tab button above the caps lock and on the left side of Q on your keyboard. That's where you're going to find the tab button. And that is what will make the tab for you. To do that in any programming language, whether it be C#, C++, Java, Python, \t is the way to do it. So let's say we need to write a program where we write one sentence and then use the \n escape characters to make a line, and use \t escape characters to list of subjects we study. We can apply it to, which we can apply to any list. So I'm going to apply it to programming languages. So this is what we need to do. Console dot capital W lowercase r-i-t-e capital L lowercase i-n-e, and then we do brackets, quotes. Be on the safe side, make sure we have this semicolon. So we can do this in two ways. First way I'm going to show you is loads of lines. So you could do lots of console write lines, use \t, \t. You can see from this, we've got 4 lines so far. While that's running, I will copy those 2 lines. You can see we've got 4 lines of code in the program and 4 lines in the terminal. But I'm going to make it 6, 4 to do C#. I'm going to do run it. So all of this, 6 console.write lines. We've got 6 of those print statements to produce this code, produce that output. It works. It's fine. But we can easily get all of this, put all of this in one console.write line. So we can do \n, and then we're going to cut and paste that into here. We're going to do a \n. We're going to paste all of this in here, and then until we have every single programming language that we've listed into the one console.write line. So, and I will show you what result you are going to get. We can get rid of those 5 lines we don't need. We're going to run it. And you can see it's exactly the same. The difference is that list we did before in 6 lines, we're able to do it in 1. And that is one of the beauties of escape characters in any programming language. And it will certainly help when you go on to bigger pieces of code, whether you're doing methods, conditionals, iteration, lists, arrays, file handling, and so on. These programming languages are huge. There's so much you can cover. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you next time. And bye for now.